Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is my morning after regret barbecue chicken. What I do, I buy this chicken. This is kind of the organic chicken. Not a lot of people will buy that, but they stock it in these stores anyway. Well, then they'll reduce it. So I've kind of got a little niche market going on here. I'll grab this, and I also grab the lamb too, because nobody eats lamb around here, or not a lot of people. And so they reduce the lamb, so I get both of them. And this is some of that chicken, which I ate a lot today, and that's unusual for me. But normally, what I do, I'll cook up and I'll divide it up and put it in a couple piece servings. Like this will be one serving. But what I do, I put it in a Ziploc bag and put Italian dressing in there. Uh, if I've got oranges, I'll squeeze an orange on it. Um, Garlic, Creole mix, Lowry seasoning. And I'll also, when I'm cooking it, I'll sprinkle it again with Lowry's, onion powder, garlic, and I cook it like on 225 and just do a slow cook on it. And on chicken, I get my chicken temperature up to 165, and I check my temperatures. And but you can cut it and kind of see if your chicken's done. I can do that. I can look at it and tell if it's done, but also I'll put temperature on it if I'm cooking for other people. I don't want anybody getting sick because of something I did or did not do. But then I put barbecue sauce on it. I put a heavy garlic sauce on it. I love my garlic. And I also put Frank's hot sauce on this chicken. And I'm sniffling now because it was a little bit hotter than I expected. And also, I put red pepper on it too. So it was delicious. And but this is a recipe for Pete. His link will be in the description section. Pete's. I can say he's an adrenaline junkie. He does all kind of stuff and got a nice little channel set up. And check him out and tell me what you think. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.